Hello, so welcome back to my channel CtrlCrafting. Today we are going to discuss about the last question I have left you guys with. That's why the strings defined in two different ways. First is the literal string and second is the new by new keyword act so differently. So I hope you guys have searched a little bit about it, and if not, it's okay. We are going to discuss it today. Let me first of all define or explain how a string literal and how a string defined by a new keyword stored in our heap memory. So this is the doc I have created, two ways of describing string literal and new keyword. So what we have to do is there is one thing called the string constant pool. So what does it do? It is string constant pool is a storage space in Java heap memory. It is a storage space in Java heap memory where string literals are stored. Okay. It is also known as string constant pool or string intern pool. It is privately maintained by Java string class. Okay. So this is the definition of string constant pool. It is a storage space in Java heap memory where string literals are stored. Literals. Now, it is also known as string intern pool. So let us focus upon what is intern. The method intern creates an exact copy of a string object. What does a method intern do? It will create an exact copy of a string object in the heap memory and stores it in the string constant pool. So string constant pool is a place where we store intern, and how we are going to store it with the help of intern method. Note that if another string with the same content exists in the string constant pool, then a new object won't be created. Suppose we already have a string called welcome. Welcome to control crafting in the string constant pool. Then whenever we are using or defining a new variable with the help of literals in defining literal string method, then a new copy won't be created. It will be referring to the old copy present in the string constant pool, and a new reference and the new reference will point to the other string. Okay, here is another use of the string intern. The string.intern method puts the string in the string pool or refers to another string object from the string pool having the same value. Okay, this is the important point. It returns a string from this pool if the string pool already contains a string equal to the string object. Okay, now I have just in the previous video we have discussed it how string literals are defined and how a new string by using the new keyword we define a string. So what we have to focus is this line. Remember that all the string literals created with the new keyword takes place in Java heap and not in the string pool. Okay, so first of all, let's see what's the new keyword does internally. In such case, JVM will create a new string object in normal heap memory, and the literal welcome to control crafting will be placed in the string constant pool. The variable s will refer to the object in heap non-pool memory. Okay, and suppose I am defining a new string s is equal to new string welcome. It creates two objects. What are the two objects? One will be created in string pool and the other in heap, and the other reference variable where the s will refer to the object in the heap. Okay, so what does this s will do? This will refer to the object that was created in the heap, not in the string constant pool, because while using the new keyword we haven't invoked the intern method, which helps us to take that string literal back to the string constant pool. That helps us to store that literal in the string constant pool. Okay, so that's why the s object here will refer to the heap memory. This is a diagram I have taken from Java T-point. So it is a string constant pool concept in Java. You can see these string 1, string 2, string 3. These are the string literals, and you can see a Python string in a string pool, Python is stored, whereas data science is also stored, and we have another string str3 Python. So both str1 and str3 both are referring to the sorry both are referring to Python. Okay, and no new object is created for str3, or no new string literal is created in for str3, because it is already present in the string constant pool or string pool. Whereas whenever we are using a new string literal, like new keyword, then Java, C++, and data science, as you can see in the str6, data science is already present in the string pool, and data science is also is inside the heap memory. So as per the definition of the new keyword, that remember, all the string literals created with the new keyword takes place in the Java heap, not in the string pool. And it creates two object, one in the string pool because it is already present in the string pool, therefore no duplicate object will be there, and one in the heap, and one reference variable where the variable s will refer to the object in the heap. Okay, so the as you can see, since we have data science in string pool also, in spite of that, data science will be present in the Java heap memory, and str6 will point towards the Java heap memory object. Okay, now str7 and this intern, as soon as we invoke the intern method, this str7 start referring to the data science in the string pool. So now let's get into our code and see how it works. As I have already debugged it in the previous method, in previous video, that a double equal to b results to false. But now here what we are going to do is I am converting the b string created by new literal into b.intern, and we will see whether this condition returns true or not. This conditions check whether the reference of the objects are same or not. So I am just commenting out the c literal because it's no use for us right now, and control s, control b. We have to start debugging. So string a has been created, string b, again literals. Now let's expand a and b. So a ID is 23 and value of a is 41. B ID is 29 and value of b is 41. We just focus on the IDs. Now one step again. B dot intern. Now focus on this line. Okay. B dot intern. As you can see, after the B dot intern, the ID of B has been changed, because after the intern method we have invoked it explicitly for the new keyword string. We have invoked it explicitly from our end, therefore this will start referring to the a object, same as that literal is created in the string pool. As you can see here in the diagram also, whenever we apply the intern method over the new string data science, then it starts referring to the literal present in the string constant pool, not in the heap memory. Therefore the id has been changed of b, and now a is equal to b will return true. As you can see, I control shift I, this will return true, and we go inside the if block. Now there is one thing, that a dot equals to b, since the values are already equal, therefore it also returns true, but we have used else if here, so only one if condition will run. In spite of this being true, since the above if condition is true, therefore this will not run because we have used else if, and that terminates our program. So that's how all the internal working goes for string literal and new keyword, by defining the string by new keyword. And you can say that okay, if the two strings are defined in a different way, we can still compare them by a double equal to b. So that's it for today's video. I hope you really loved it and enjoyed it. Thank you, and bye bye.